Hey, this is Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you how to remove other people's related videos from your videos when you're embedding a video into one of your Teachable courses. Because you really only want your related videos to show up because it's within your course. So this is going to be a pretty quick video because the solution is so simple. So once you've embedded your video into your course, all you have to do is copy and paste a very small bit of code at the end of your URL. So you're going to go ahead and go to the end of the URL right before the quotation marks and paste this little code, $rel equals 0. So what that's going to do is go ahead and remove those related videos. I'm going to go ahead and hit save and show you here. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to go to the end. So those are our end cards. And then all the related videos that it shows are our related videos. It doesn't show other people's. So really great solution that you have there just to avoid them clicking over to other people's stuff from within your course. And that's it. If you have questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.